SSHS, happy 103rd anniversary to St. Stephen's High School. My name is Patrick and I am serving as the Principal Architect of the St. Stephen's High School Centennial projects. On behalf of the School Board and Construction Committee, we welcome you and we're very excited to share with you the progress of our two new building projects, the Student Center and the 3-story multipurpose building. Join me as we go on a quick and exclusive tour of the construction site.
First is the 3-story multipurpose building at the elementary campus. This was built in place of the old and dilapidated 2-story wooden building along Masangkay Street. The building, which was being used as the canteen and for after-school tutoring sessions. This project adds about 900 square meters of multi-use space, either as student canteen for enrichment classes and as venues for various school programs. We will also link this project with the existing elementary building on the 2nd and 3rd floor, so students, faculty, and administrators may directly access the new building. We will also be introducing the Executive Lounge, a living room to welcome guests, alumni, accreditors from here and abroad, and to host meetings, gatherings, and dialogues with parents, teachers, and administrators. This is the ground floor, where our canteen will be. We tried to push the columns toward the edge of the building to be column-free inside as much as possible to maximize the space. We also had a high ceiling to encourage flow of air should they choose the area to be naturally ventilated. On the 2nd floor, since this is a multi-purpose building, we design large spaces, which the school later on will eventually decide what the other uses will be, and they can partition the space accordingly. The 3rd floor has basically the same plan as the 2nd floor. And as you can now see, they are on their way to prepare and install the roofing structure. The next, but certainly not the least project, is the most awaited Student Center and Bridge. The Student Center was envisioned as an extended venue for the students. The intent was to empower the students to make their own decisions and choices and provide them a safer venue to develop and discover their talents through after-school programs and collaboration. It is basically a large tambayan, or a place to hang out during break times, before or after school, that the students can claim as their own space to work on their projects, group works, practice their song or dance and other activities. As Stephenians, we pride ourselves being well-rounded individuals, and this venue hopefully provides an environment that helps shape well-rounded Stephenians. Building occupies the space of the old 1-story canteen, and we now add a 4-story building with approximately 1,300 square meters. And this building connects to the main high school building at the 2nd and 3rd floor, and also to the elementary campus by a link bridge. This project is really challenging as we had to build around existing utilities such as the transformer and lots of wires. Since we are also beside the creek, to stabilize the soil, we had to drive piles 40 meters deep, or around 130 feet, for the building's foundation. The ground floor and mezzanine area will house the high school canteen and dining area, with 10 allotted stalls for concessionaires. The steps is one of the major features of the building. We Stephenians love to hang out, especially at the parish steps. We pick our own spot and wait for our sundo or barkada. This is homage to the Stephenian culture. It can be used for outdoor activities, performances, and as an extension of the plaza space all the way to the mezzanine. The second floor connects the main building, the student center, and the bridge to cross over to the elementary campus. The second floor, it will also have the organization rooms and study rooms where students can reserve or share the space for meetings or to work on their group projects, since the curriculum now calls for more collaborative work. The third floor will be the music center, where we will provide individual and group practice rooms. Also, this room, since we are connecting this to the auditorium level, can function as the stage right green room of the auditorium. Sometimes we all need a bit of fresh air to think clearly and to organize our thoughts. We can spend so much time indoors. It's nice to get a breeze of air or sunshine once in a while. Students can bring their projects here, sit on the turf or on the corners, or practice for their group performance. The stair railings will be colored yellow, and it will be continuous from the ground all the way to the roof deck. This represents us Stephenians, being the light that shines. So hopefully each time the students who go up and down the stairs will be reminded of the school's vision to be a lighthouse in the community.
So I'm now here with two of our on-site project engineers, Engineer Melvin of the 3-story multipurpose building and Engineer Stephen for the Student Center. So, Engineer Stephen, how is the progress of our project?
The Student Center is on its 60% completion, while the 3-story multipurpose building is on 50% completion. Due to the pandemic, the capacity is still not 100%. But our best efforts as the contractor, both projects are expected to be turned over by the end of third quarter or fourth quarter of 2020.
So there you have it. Sounds good. Thank you. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour. Please continue to support us with your prayers and love for the school. Thank you and take care.